In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Repl in Replit Quick and Easy 2025. Full guide. Start by heading to replit.com and opening your home dashboard. On the home page, click the highlighted Create area to kick off a new project, then choose the Build option. This takes you into Replit's guided project creator, which makes starting the right kind of Repl much faster. You'll see several project types. Take a moment to click through them so you know what each one does. Web app is the classic choice for building websites and web services. Mobile app sets you up for cross-platform mobile projects. 3D game gives you a starting point for interactive 3D experiences. Data app is great for dashboards and data workflows. Agents and automations is designed for AI agents and task automation. And general is a flexible space for blank or miscellaneous projects. After exploring those options, select Web App to continue. Next, look for the Agent Chat panel. Click into the chat and describe the website you want to build in clear, simple language. For example, tell it the purpose of the site, the sections you want, and the style you're aiming for. Keep your prompt specific, but avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. When your prompt is ready, click. Start to let Replit set up your project. When the starter project is generated, continue using the agent chat to design and modify your site. Ask it to adjust colors, tweak layout, add pages, or update copy. You can request components like a hero section, a contact form, or a responsive navigation, and the agent will help apply those changes. Think of this as a conversation-driven way to iterate quickly without hunting through every file. Open the Build panel again to manage your workflow. In the Make, Test, Iterate section, run your project and preview it in the browser so you can confirm everything looks and behaves as expected. Then go to Ask Questions. Plan your work to outline next steps, clarify tasks, and get guidance on best practices. This is a great place to break down your changes and keep your project organized. Follow the on-screen highlights to confirm any remaining setup details, like project name or visibility. Finally, when you're satisfied with the result, click Publish. Replit will deploy your web app and give you a shareable link. You can revisit Build at any time to make updates, test changes, and republish as your project evolves. That's it. You've created a new Repl, leveraged Replit's build flow and agent chat, and published your site.